Hey folks, Todd Dow here, and thank you for arriving on this video. If you would like more information on Shopify in general or e-commerce and looking to build your first $1 million store, or maybe just your first $10,000 per month store, then go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. There should be obviously a button right below, and also hit the notification bell so that as soon as I do release a video, you're going to get a notification on your phone letting you know exactly when I come out with these videos, which I do regularly. Now today, the topic that I wanted to actually cover with you is something that could have helped me to save thousands of dollars when I first started out with my Shopify store. I mean, if I knew these things, I definitely wouldn't have spent so much money on Facebook ads, making so many mistakes while using Facebook ads, okay? And not only that, but just being plain lazy with the whole process. Now, that is the thing. When you're building an e-commerce store, you're not just building something that you could just make money off of in your spare time, right? You eventually want to scale it to make a full-time income and allow you to leave your job or leave whatever business model that you are, wanting to get away from, or just create another income stream. The biggest thing you have to get in your head is that you cannot be lazy when it comes to building your e-commerce store. Laziness will cost you so much money, because if you're looking to build an e-commerce store, you need to properly build your funnels, okay, for your e-com store, okay? You need to properly pick the product that's going to take you to where you want to be, okay? That means not promoting copyright products. That means promoting products that have mass appeal, okay? And that also means that you're going to have to do a lot more research than you've already done on that product, okay? And I know you've heard from other top marketers in the e-commerce niches that you have to test, and you have to test multiple things. But one thing I am for sure about is that you cannot nowadays just slap up a product, put it on the product page and just send traffic to the product page and expect it to convert and give you the best ROI that you're looking for. Okay, yes, you can do that quickly and get 2 to 3 products up and going, but the thing about it is, if you really want to see good results, you need to build a funnel, and you need to be good. You need to make sure you do your homework about your sales copy on your product page. Any little thing that you can add to your sales copy or your funnel page is going to help you to convert. That means timers. That means bundling products together to help you to get to that ROI. You need to be doing these things off the bat, because like you and many other students that I've actually been working with, you don't have a lot of money to be playing around testing, right? And I definitely don't want to be playing around with my money in terms of investing in the Facebook ads to run traffic to my products. So what I do and what I focus on and what I've learned over the years of doing e-commerce is that build your sales funnel first, okay? Make it the best way that you can. Make sure you have bundles when you put together these product funnels, and just make sure that everything's in order before you start to promote it, okay? Because otherwise you're going to lose a lot of money in the process. So that's the biggest tip that I can give you as far as starting up your e-commerce store and wanting to make the 10K per month and actually be into profit. You've got to have these things in place. If you're looking to promote 5 products at once, make sure you have 5 funnels put together for those products, okay? And later on in these series, and actually I do have a series of tutorials that I've put together that's going to help you with some more of the details of everything, going back in Shopify, what funnel pages you should use, what apps you should use in order to create certain funnels and whatnot. I'm actually, it's all done and put inside of my tutorial series. So there should be a link in the description of this video showing you that tutorial process there, so you can actually see those videos that give you step-by-step guidance to your videos. Also, if you want to connect with me on Instagram, my Instagram is right in the description of this video below. Just send me a DM or a message on Instagram, and I'll happily answer your question. You can also hit me up on Facebook, but more likely on Facebook I get a lot of different messages, because that's like my main platform as far as social media. That's where I've started off building my following and my brand. So you won't it'll be a while before I can get to your message on Facebook. So quickest way to reach me is Instagram, or actually you can email me at toddowellinfo@gmail.com, and I'll be able to answer any of your questions. But this is video number 1 in the series for those of you that want to create a Shopify store, and you're a beginner and you're looking to take the shortcuts. Take the advice of somebody that's spent thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars in advertisement, and possibly over $1 million in advertisement over the course of all of the students that I've helped manage their Facebook ads for the e-commerce store. So with all that being said, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, hit the subscribe button if I gave you any type of value, and I look forward to sharing more information with you in the next coming video.